Tired of scratching your beautiful hardwood floors just to keep them clean? What if I told you most vacuums are ruining your floors without you even knowing? In this video, I'll show you 5 best vacuums for hardwood floors that are safe, powerful, and built specifically for hardwood. Let's protect your floors and your wallet. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best vacuums for hardwood floors. Number 1. Miele CX1 Parquet. Looking for a vacuum that's powerful, compact and gentle on hardwood floors? Meet the Miele CX1 Parquet, bagless canister vacuum built to tackle dust without damaging your delicate surfaces. This isn't your average vacuum. The CX1 uses vortex technology to suck up both coarse dirt and fine dust with impressive precision. So if you're tired of vacuums that either scratch your floors or leave behind debris, this solves both. Now let's talk standout features. HEPA Air Clean Filter. It traps even the tiniest particles, making it perfect for allergy sufferers. Parquet Twister Floor Head, designed specifically for hardwood, tile, and laminate. It glides smoothly without leaving a mark. Track Drive Wheels. This thing stays on course, even around tight corners and furniture legs. But it's not all roses. Pros: super compact and easy to store. Strong suction without the bulk. Great for small apartments or homes. With mostly hard flooring. Cons: it's corded, so mobility is a bit limited. At 17 pounds, it's not featherlight. And while it's powerful, it's not the quietest option out there. So who's this for? If you've got mostly hard floors, live in a smaller space, and want something durable with high infiltration, this Miele could be a perfect match. Number 2. Bissell Hard Floor Expert Multi-Cyclonic Vacuum. Struggling to find a vacuum that's powerful enough for rugs but still gentle on your hardwood floors? Say hello to the Bissell Hard Floor Expert Multi-Cyclonic Canister Vacuum. Solid, budget-friendly cleaner that doesn't mess around with dust or scratches. This vacuum is corded and bagless using multi-cyclonic technology to deliver consistent suction power so you're not losing performance halfway through the job. It's designed for hard floors and low-pile rugs, making it ideal for mixed-surface homes. Here are a few standout features. Turbine Hard Floor Foot. Tough on dirt, but gentle enough to protect delicate flooring from scuffs. Multi-surface brush switches easily between area rugs and hard floors without missing a beat. Bottom empty dirt tank makes cleanup simple, and mess for no more dust clouds in your face. Pros: strong, reliable suction for the price. Lightweight, and easy to store, just 14 pounds. Closing parenthesis, great for apartments or smaller homes. Cons: the cord is only 18 feet, so you may need to replug often. Not ideal for thick carpets or heavy-duty cleaning. A bit louder than higher-end models, so who's it for? If you've got a mix of hardwood, tile, and a few area rugs, and want something lightweight, effective, and under budget, this Bissell checks all the boxes. Number 3. Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Stick Vacuum. If dust and pet hair are driving you crazy but dragging around a heavy vacuum feels like more work than it's worth, then meet the Dyson V12 Detect Slim. Dyson's lightest intelligent cordless vacuum ever. This sleek stick vacuum is battery-powered, ultralight at just 5.2 pounds, and packed with smart features to make cleaning faster, easier, and even a little satisfying. What makes it stand out? Laser illumination. Yep, it uses a laser to reveal invisible dust on hard floors so you don't miss a thing. LCD screen display tells you what it's picking up in real time and how much battery life you have left. Anti-tangle tools includes a hair screw tool and motor bar cleaner head, so no more wrestling with clogged brushes. Pros: super lightweight and easy to maneuver. Smart features, like dust detection and particle tracking. Cordless convenience without sacrificing power. Cons: premium price point. Battery life is solid, but may need a recharge for deep cleans. Smaller dustbin means frequent emptying for bigger jobs, so who's it for? If you want cutting-edge tech, lightweight design, and a vacuum that adapts to your floors, especially if you have pets or allergies, the Dyson V12 Detect Slim is a top-tier choice. Number 4. Kenmore 600 Series Pet-Friendly Canister Vacuum. If pet hair is taking over your home and your old vacuum just can't keep up, the Kenmore 600 Series Pet-Friendly Canister vacuum might be the deep cleaning solution you've been looking for. This corded, bagged vacuum is built with pet owners in mind, combining powerful suction, smart attachments, and a design that works across both hard floors and carpets. So, what makes it stand out? Pet PowerMate, a motorized brush that lifts stubborn pet hair from upholstery, stairs, and rugs without getting tangled. Triple HEPA filtration system captures up to 99.97% of allergens and dust. Great for homes with pets or allergy concerns. Pop and go floor. Brush snaps on for easy transitions between surfaces and stores neatly inside the vacuum. Pros: excellent suction with a 2-motor system, 28-foot retractable cord and telescoping. Won't give you serious reach, great for multi-surface homes and heavy shedding. Cons: heavier than some at 22.6 pounds. Bag design means you'll need to replace bags occasionally. Not cordless, so mobility is more limited. Who's it best for? This vacuum is ideal for pet owners, families, or anyone who wants strong, reliable suction across multiple floor types and isn't afraid of a bit of weight in exchange for power. Number 5. Roborock Flexi Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. If you're tired of switching between a mop, a vacuum, and a ton of elbow grease, meet your new cleaning sidekick, the Roborock Flexi Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This all-in-one cordless powerhouse vacuums, mops, and even cleans itself so you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your space. This smart vacuum solves one big problem: keeping hard floors truly clean without breaking your back. Whether it's dust, spills, or pet hair, it tackles it all in one go and, yes, it even cleans under furniture with its 180 flat reach design. Here's what makes it shine: 17,000 PA suction power, strong enough to pick up everything from fine dust to sticky messes. Hot water self-cleaning and drying cleans itself with 140 degrees Fahrenheit water and then dries automatically with heated air. No nasty smells or soggy mops. Triple edge cleaning plus smart dirt detection reaches deep into corners and tells you where dirt is hiding using LED guidance. Pros: truly all-in-one vacuums, mops, self-cleans. Super lightweight at just 10.4 pounds. Long 50-minute runtime. Covers large areas. Easy to push thanks to motor-assisted wheels. Cons: premium price tag. Not for thick carpets. Better suited for hard floors. You'll need to maintain the water tanks and filters regularly, so who's it for? If you have tiles, hardwood, vinyl, or laminate floors, pets, or just want a tech-savvy way to clean with less effort, the Roborock Flexi is a total game-changer. Recap and recommendation. Quick recap. Here's a rundown of the 5 vacuums we reviewed. Miele CX1 Parquet Compact. Powerful and great for hardwood floors with HEPA filtration. Bissell Hard Floor Expert. Budget-friendly, solid suction, and lightweighted deal for small spaces. Dyson V12 Detect Slim, Smart, Cordless, and Ultralight with laser dust detection, great for tech lovers. Kenmore 600 series, heavy-duty and pet-friendly with strong suction and HEPA filtration for multi-surface homes. Roborock Flexi Wet Dry, a premium all-in-one vacuum and mop with self-cleaning and smart features for hard floors. Best overall, Roborock Flexi Wet Dry Vacuum takes the top spot. It's the most versatile and time-saving, combining vacuuming, mopping, and self-cleaning in one smart, cordless unit, perfect for busy households with hard floors. Check the description below for links to detailed information on each product. Don't forget to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.